How to upload Robinhood form to Turbotax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to upload Robinhood form into Turbotax, you first of all want to log into your Turbotax account. Now from these options, go ahead and select income and expenses. Then click on review/edit. Now from here you want to find investments and savings. Then next to that click on add/edit. Now you will have to select your financial institution. From here click on Robinhood. Once you click on that, you will now have to enter the 9-digit Robinhood account number. After that, you want to enter the 11-digit document ID. Then click on continue. Now follow the on-screen instructions to get your form. If you are not able to import it directly, you can also click on try a different way option and then select your investment type. Then click on type it in myself and manually type in the details from your Robinhood form. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.